Hello, this is Megan's cooking show. I'm making zucchini and I love zucchini, so does my dad. I put in the crumbs, let it sit there for a while, and then I put some of this on it. Breadcrumbs. And then I use these choppers, and they're very special. And then I place it on the tray. And that's how I make my zucchini. And I take another one, zucchini, and place it in the milk. Put it around in the milk. And then I grab it and put it in here. Then I put some breadcrumbs on it. And I love zucchini because so does my dad, because I use these choppers every morning. And scoop it out, shake it. And then I place it on a tray. Then I grab another one. Then I put it in the milk. Out. And I also love zucchini because it's my favorite kind of fruit. And then I grab the choppers. And then grab some of this. Take another one and place it in the milk. And you know how much I love zucchini? 100,000. Okay, then I start to put them in the milk. I grab them and place it in here. And I love zucchini because it's my favorite kind of thing to do. And making it is my favorite kind of doing thing. I'm not going to go yet. I'm just going to... You head down, I'll be fine. Just watch some commercials and I'll be back with you. Okay? Bye.